So this video I will be doing um a bag tour. No, not this one, but this one. Yes. So first we're gonna go over here. I can't open it with one hand. Over there. First, of course, we have like the notebooks. I have this black notebook, this red notebook, and a green notebook. And I have this colored pencil, and I have this like this is like where you put all your mask. And I have this one. Um, this actually is 9 ball pens. Yes, I counted it because why not? Because I was bored, so I counted. I counted it. Yeah. And for this, we have like our bond paper, our intermediate paper, and this long paper, like really long paper. And for this pocket, we have an index card because, you know, yeah. Second is this, what's this called again? A correction tape. Yeah. You don't, I mean, I don't have anything in there. Nothing interesting in there, don't worry. And I have 2 perfumes. Yes, I literally have 2 perfumes. I bring it every day at school. Not only 2, but I have 3. 3 perfumes. Yes, 3 perfumes that I always bring at school. And next we're gonna have is my tumbler. It's like over here. Yes, I put it right there. And next we're gonna have is my next pocket, which is this one. This is my cream cloud perfume. Basically, it's like an Ariana Grande perfume. This one. This is like my all-time favorite perfume. Means I have 2, 4, 5. And don't forget, I have this one. So we have 6. I have 6 perfumes, but I don't bring this one. This one is for at home, and these for, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 perfumes. What am I saying, 6? I have 5 perfumes, and this one is for at home, and this one is for school. So, yeah, that's all. So this vlog, the next vlog is gonna be at like August 14th, and that was like my first ever school vlog ever. So yeah, this is just going to like continue. I'm just gonna edit it. Yeah, bye.
Wow. Wow.
So ano po, ito na po yung vlog ko po. Andito na po ako sa school. Go. Ang dami pong tao dito sa school namin. Siyempre, school nga eh. Alangan, onti tao. Parang di ka naman order.
Kaya ka di nagpa-vlog dyan, nang-aaway ka lang eh. Nang-aaway ka lang.
So, ito na po yung Tagalog version. Nag-English ako kagabi. For the